In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an inner join report type in Salesforce. This step-by-step guide will help you harness the full potential of Salesforce reports by allowing you to combine data from different objects efficiently. So, let's dive right in and simplify this task to create valuable insights from your data sets. First, you'll want to head over to the Setup area in Salesforce. In the Setup search box located at the top of the page, type in Report Types and select it from the options that appear. This is the foundational step where you can start creating a custom report type tailored to your needs. Once you've accessed report types, you'll notice an option to create a new custom report type. Click on this option to embark on configuring your precise report needs. This is where the magic happens because you're customizing how Salesforce will handle the data from this point on. You'll then be prompted to select your primary object, which is essentially the main focus of your report. Think of it as the groundwork. After you make that selection, you'll need to choose a related object. This is what you'll be joining with your primary object to access more detailed information. Make sure to select objects that logically relate to each other to produce meaningful insights. Once you've settled on those, don't forget to save the configurations so that Salesforce can make this new report type available for you to use. Now, navigate over to the Reports area. It's a prime location within Salesforce which many report builders use frequently. Next, opt for New Report. This action begins the process of actually constructing your report using the framework you customized earlier. At this stage, you'll be choosing the custom report type that you just created. Remember, selecting the correct report type is crucial as it defines the data available to be pulled into your report. You should see it in the list since you've previously saved it. With the correct report type chosen, start adding fields. These are the columns of information you wish to display in your report. Think carefully about which fields will provide insights relevant to the analysis you're undertaking. Finally, after carefully setting everything up and selecting your desired fields, go ahead and click Save and Run. This will not only save your report for future use, but also execute it, providing you with the accurate inner join information you've set out to analyze. And there you have it, a streamlined way to create a powerful inner join report type in Salesforce. Mastery of this process can ultimately improve your data analysis and reporting capabilities inside Salesforce, making your tasks much more efficient. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide useful for your Salesforce journey.